Hello friends. Today I will tell you how to draw in easy 7 steps Peppa Pig. This iconic British cartoon character is perfect for aspiring artists. Let's get this started. Step 1. Draw the body. The body of our pig looks like a truncated triangle with lines. Draw this in the center of a piece of paper. Step 2. Draw the head. Add the outlines of the head, which looks like a jagged, asymmetrical shape with rounded edges. Step 3. Draw the legs. This is a very simple step indeed. Just draw the legs with a couple of baselines. Step 4. Draw the arms and tail. This simple drawing style has taken the world by storm. In fact, draw the arms, which are made up of 3 sticks, and the tail in the form of a curl. Step 5. Draw the nose and ears. Depict the nose and ears of our lovely pig. Step 6. Add the facial details. A couple of small details will make your drawing look more vivid and realistic. Add the outlines of the eyes, mouth, and blush on the cheeks. Step 7. Color Peppa Pig. 2 shades of pink and a vibrant red in clothing are great choices for this lovely pig. Well done! Now you can draw another character. Hope you enjoyed Peppa Pig drawing tutorial. If you liked the lesson, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to press your thumb up, press the bell and subscribe to the channel.